Look at this question. It looks a little bit intimidating, right? In this video, I'm going to break it down for you. And it says integrate cos²x over 1 minus sin x with respect to x. So when we have this question, the first thing, of course, we have to do is to recopy our question down here. And let me say I have cos²x, and I divide this by the denominator is 1 minus sin x with respect to x. From grade 11 identities, we know that sin² x plus cos² equals to 1. Now, since we have cos from the numerator, then we need to make cos²x a subject of this identity. Therefore, we have 1 minus sin²x. So this will replace our numerator. Now let's go on and do just that. So we have integral of the numerator is now 1 minus sin² x, and we're dividing this by the denominator 1 minus sin x with respect to x. After that, what next? When you look at the numerator again, this is difference of two squares, since 100 expressed as 1 square. Therefore, with difference of two squares, then we have some remainder here. If you have a square minus b square, this can be expressed as a minus b times a plus b. Now, expressing the numerator in that form, we'll have here 1 minus sin x, and we can create some bracket here. This multiplies the next expression, and that is 1 plus sin x, and we divide this by our original denominator, and this time it's good also to place it inside the bracket. Therefore, we have 1 minus sin x, and here you can see clearly that the first bracket cancels the denominator, and we are only left with the numerator over 1, and of course something over 1 is itself. So we have integral of 1 plus sin of x with respect to x. And since there are two terms, let's also create brackets here to show that this integral is for these two terms. Now we can move on and make our integration. The integral of 1 with respect to x is simply x, and the integral of sin x is negative. So we have negative cos² plus our constant. And don't leave it like that, we need to open up this bracket. Therefore, this implies that when we have an integral of cos²x, and this is divided by 1 minus sin x with respect to x, then our result is simply x minus cos² plus constant of integration. And that is how simple this question is. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in our next upcoming videos. Peace out.